Hey there, YouTube. How's it going today? Hope well. Alright, we're gonna learn this Parquet chord song. Alright, borrowed time. And then we got a little riff. Alright, so we'll cover all that. Our guitar sounds just a little clean. Not really. I got a little reverb on there, but no effects really. Now, I mentioned this in another video. Adam Savage plays, I believe, in not an open D, but just he's detuned to one whole step to D. So that's why he's playing up at the 5th position. He's playing at the 5th fret. Alright, because his guitar is lower in tune. Alright, so we're going to play it at the G. Now, you almost have to play this with bar chords to get that sound that they have. Because you're doing this kind of syncopated or kind of percussion type of strumming. And what you're doing is you're you're playing that all the time, and then when you want to hear the chord, you're just pressing down. I remember the days. All right, it's just a G. It's the first chord. Stays on there for like 4 bars. 1 bar of F. 1 bar of C. So you're kind of going. That's slowed down what you have to do. And then the other guitar is playing this little box here at the 7th fret on the D and the G strings. So on the D string, 7, 9, that's what mostly is being played. On the D string, at the 9th, that is mostly what's being played, just hammering onto it or maybe sliding into it. You know, you just have to play that, however, you know, that's a feel part, you know, if you want to slide into it or hammer onto it, it's fine. 7 and 9 on the D. Okay, and then when it goes to the F, you just stay on the 7, and then when it goes to the C, you go to the G string on the 9. 7 on the G string to get back to 9 on the D string. That's the what the other guitar's playing. All right, that's the verse. All right, let's cover the chorus. Seems these days I'm on borrowed time. Okay, so the little refrain is, seems these days I'm living on borrowed time. Seems these days I'm living on borrowed time. All right, so that is just really the last part of the verse where it goes F to C. It's just that you only lay on the G for maybe like 2 bars this time. Okay, so it's starts on the F. Seems this day living on borrowed time. 2 bars. Yes, I'm living on borrowed time. Okay. Now, if you were going to try and play this with, it doesn't sound right if you play in an open position, but if you're going to try to do it, you have to do the muting with your right hand. You're not going to be able to do the syncopated strumming. You're just going to have to be like, hit the chords, you know, just like 2 times. I'm kind of exaggerating the muting, but you get the idea. All right. So a fairly accessible song. I guess you know, it takes some practice, but definitely something a beginner could play. All right, that's Parquet Chords, Borrowed Time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.